Graders, it's Mrs. Gibson. Do you see the story in the balloons? Do you see the math? Earlier, when we were working together, we sometimes solved stories that had questions or problems with math. Before we add it, here's an example. Akmir caught one firefly, and then he caught 4 more fireflies. How many fireflies did he catch in all? We know that if we had 1 and he caught 4 more, then he would have 5 altogether because he added them to the one he started with. Well, mathematicians, today I want to teach you that sometimes we use subtraction to solve a number story. Let's take a look. Akmir had 5 fireflies, kind of like before. Then 2 fireflies flew away. How many did he have left? So looking at the number line, if 2 left, would we go up and say 7 were left? Does that make sense? Why not? You're right, because if 2 left, then he's going to end up with a lower number, a smaller number. And so we want to go back 2 on our number line and find out that he had 3 left. Mathematicians, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. When you take away, you go down on the number line. You're right. And that's subtraction, isn't it? So looking back at that problem with pictures, let's think about it in a different way. Akmir had 5 fireflies. Then 2 fireflies flew away. How many does he have now? Here's 5. And if we have 2 fly away, we still ended up with 3 as our answer. We can use objects, or we can use a number line, or we can use mental math. Which one do you think will work best for you? When we're looking at a story to solve with the math, and we're looking for something that is taken away or compared, we come up with a way to think of subtraction to solve the problem. And when we do get the answer, it's called the difference. Let's look here. There are 5 objects. If we took 1 object away, we'd have 4. That's the difference. The story could be that I had 5 blue candies, and then I ate one. Let's see, let's cross it out. Let's take it away. I would be left with 4. That's the difference. We solved that story with subtraction. Think about this problem. How do you know what math to use? Jamie had 6 balloons. 2 flew away. How many balloons does Jamie have left? They flew away. Does that mean that she got 2 new ones, so we should add? Or does that mean that she had 2 less? Look at the number line. If she starts with 6 and 2 flew away, she would have, oh, you said it, you're right, it's 4. Here's the 6 balloons. If 2 fly away, this one flies away, and this one flies away, she'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Great job! What do you see in this story? What do you see in this picture? I have an idea. I picked 5 peaches at the orchard. And I brought them home, and my family ate 2. How many peaches did I have left? If they eat them, that's taken away, and I'd solve that story with subtraction. Mathematicians, sometimes when you're working with stories that ask a question that says that something was taken away or compared, we use subtraction to solve it. And so in order to maybe practice some of that subtraction today. We're going to go and maybe play bingo. Bingo's on one of your EDM games, and you'll find it right here in the middle. And you can do subtraction bingo. It will tell you exactly how to play. I'm going to give you a quick little introduction, and then when you play, it will tell you even again how to play subtraction bingo. You'll click on the board and it will give you some numbers, and you'll click over here where the window washer is, and it will give you some problems to think about. And when you're ready, you can click OK. It's very fun. You have to clear the whole board, and it will be giving you points and playing music and practicing your math skills all at the same time. So off you go, mathematicians, to practice your subtraction, because sometimes when we're solving stories with questions, we'll use subtraction to see how many are left.